يا راح تقولي وديني شوفي وجهي.
Yes, Samadam.
Yeah.
Have you downloaded?
No, still. Yeah, okay.
باخذ القسمة.
طيب لو سمحت ليش؟ بعدين لا yes.
Yes, Samadam. So can you please refresh the book once?
نقول لك تحط نقول لك تحط نقول لك نكلفك. طيب تعال.
Yeah, you can see that question on the board. Please go through that. I'll just change
Okay.
my digital pen. It's not working. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. 1 minute. Just go through that problem.
بدي أفشل ثاني. بدي أفشل ثاني. شو نقول معقول حتى ما إذا تقدر تجيب كذي من عندك كبير صعب ولا تروح قولها من الدكان ولا من هاي من الجمعية. شنو؟ Yeah.
Yeah. Hello. Okay, fine. So
I
this is the
I
question.
saw this
So
before.
how we can solve this? Have you thought anything?
Yeah, I saw this question. Maybe
We solved.
we're solving it in school or something.
Yeah, English.
No,
Oh,
I remember
okay.
struggling.
You know how to do that then?
I remember struggling in it because
No.
I didn't know which one is the A and which one is the B.
Sorry? Okay.
So we have
Actually, we need to find
do it
A
as a
and B only
quadratic
here. So that's
equation,
the
right?
question. Okay. So
Yeah.
yeah, actually
Yeah.
we need to write this equation in this form. Like some a plus b whole square formula you need to write. So it's a logical question only. There is no formulas at all to solve this question. So we need to do something to write in the format of like this.
We
X
should
plus something
first
whole square.
get the x, the two
So how we
x's
can do
values.
that?
نخرج ده.
Okay.
I do. Yeah.
Okay. So what's the use of getting two x's values? No, you just told me, right? Like we need to get the two x's value. So if we get the two x's value, how it will be useful to solve this question? That's what I'm asking.
Yeah, to get the values B.
Yeah. A and B. That's fine actually. That's not the method to solve. Like this is in the format of a square, right? And we can write the remaining terms as 2ab plus b square. The term is not there, so we need to add or subtract something to write in that way. So this is in the format of, let me write with the other different pen. So this is a square, and we need to get 2ab plus b square. If anything in this format, then we can write in the form of a plus b whole square, right? That is what they are telling. So a is x here, b is some value, we don't know that value.
Yeah,
So
3 times 1.
this equation can be written as a nothing but x square plus 2 times x 2 times 6 can be written as 2 times 3, right? Yeah, and b nothing but just write it as x plus, now compare a and b here. Just compare a and b, so which is nothing but, so a is here and a is here
Which two?
and b is here. So we have 3, right? So just add and subtract 3 so that this 2 will get cancelled, right? 3 and 3. So if I'm adding and subtracting 3, this 2 will get cancelled. The remaining value will be the same, this equation. I have written this equation, like this arrow marked equation, in the form of like this, except these 2 terms. Why? Because when we add or subtract something, then the equation will be same only. The result will be the same. It won't change actually. Why I have written like this, in the sense b is the 3, so 3 square, b square we are not having, so we just add it and subtract it. Now this is completely a square plus 2ab plus b square format, right? So which can be written as a nothing but x, b nothing but 3 whole square minus 9 plus 2 is equal to 0. Correct?
Yeah.
So this will be x plus 3 whole square, x plus 3 whole square. So what the question says? A plus b whole square plus b, right? So a plus b whole square plus b nothing but just simplify this. So you will get 7. Now compare this equation with the standard one. When we compare with the standard one, x plus c whole square plus b. So what's the a and b here?
How did you get here the 9 plus 2?
In place of a, what we are having, and in place of b, what you are having. Nine plus two, 3 square is 9 only, no?
Okay.
Yes, 3 square is 9 only, no? Correct?
But I didn't get it very well that why did you put 3 square then minus 3 square again, then again 2?
Yeah, any queries, Samudha, in this question?
Yeah.
See, Hamada, in this equation 2 is as it is, right? Here 2 is as it is, I have written. This one as it is, I have written. And x square same I have written. Okay? I added and subtracted 3 square because b square term is not there. To write this one in the form of a plus b whole square, we need to add and subtract b square term. Because of that reason, we just added and subtracted.
Okay.
So the remaining equation will be the same if we add and subtract. Because of that reason, I have done like that. Any questions, Ahmada? Are you clear with? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so the next question.
So we should take the 9 to the other
otherwise
side.
find the value of
Yeah.
x square. Okay, so we have b part of the question also, which is this one. Yeah.
This is times 1 and 7. Oh, yeah.
So
Yeah.
just write the inequalities. You forgot the inequality.
Is
Instead of
smaller
inequality, you
than
use the
0,
equal symbol.
and 1 will be bigger than 0.
Even the asking select, just we need to represent the values of x here. Okay, so let me upload the next one. And this question is already be done many times on that. Try to solve yourself and take your time. So here again we need to use the one formula I told you, right? Ax plus b whole power n, nc naught, that formula. Please see the previous concepts, whatever we discussed, you will get to know very easily. Yes, what you are doing actually?
N C R. Then
Yes.
R N.
Yeah.
Not clear. I think it's R.
Yes.
R minus N.
Yeah.
N minus
NCR x power n r power n minus 1. N minus r will be correct.
Okay.
Yeah, use the same formula and and try to find x power 1, like coefficient of x. Dependent.
I'm remembering what was n.
Have you remembered actually?
R is 0.
Vida, n is 8.
Okay. 8. We are C0.
Yeah, for the first term r is 0.
What's x? It will be 2x, right? 2. 2 power 8. Then
Yeah.
0.
X is 2x, correct. Yeah, x is 2x. Here n minus r, here r hamra. That's a small change. N minus r and r formula.
Then we
This
have to
x and
continue
this
until
is
we
a.
reach to it, right?
Yes, same
That's
procedure. Yeah, it's a big question actually. So next NC1, NC2, NC3, NC4. In the same way, we need to reach till 8. 8 terms we need to write.
what? I didn't
And
get
they are asking independent of x term. So on which term you will get the independent of x? If you are getting that, then our problem is completed, done.
value box. Value.
Like in the question they are asking about independent x term, right? So what's the meaning of independent of x? What is the meaning? Value only. So everything is value only. Like what is the meaning of independent of x? It's a value only, correct? Can you elaborate? Yes. So how we will get the independent nothing but there is no x value amala. Okay, when there will be no x value, then we can say it's an independent on x.